guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be talking about Everteen's daily panty liners. If I talk frankly, then I definitely have to say that all my girls out there definitely need panty liners. You might ask why. Now we are going to be discussing in detail everything about panty liners and why they are really useful. But before doing so, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and be a part of my YouTube family. And also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram page. Now let's get started. Now this is Everteen's daily panty liners. I have been using it for over a year now, and I have gone through so many of these because I literally use them every month. Now there are a lot of differences between regular sanitary napkins and panty liners. Now if you don't know already, panty liners are really very useful and they come in handy every month before or after your periods. Before we talk about those things, let's quickly take a look at the packaging. It comes in this beautiful feminine packaging. I love how beautiful it looks, and it has got 30 panty liners, and the best part about these panty liners is that they have natural cotton feeling. They're very gentle to your skin. They do not give you any rashes or allergies or itchiness, and they have this amazing anion strip which is antibacterial in nature, so no fear of infections. So when you open this packaging up, these are the panty liners which you get. They have this beautiful soft pink packaging which I really like, and you can see the size of these panty liners. They are really very convenient to use and they are very small. They are much smaller than your regular sanitary napkins, and the best part is that they have this amazing cottony top, and they are very breathable and light, and they have this amazing odor control technology. Also has got antibacterial property, so there are no fear of infections, no fear of bad odors or anything. The size of the panty liners is 180 mm, and there are 30 panty liners inside this, as I told you. And for 30 panty liners you need to pay 166 rupees, which is very good price, I feel. And I'm going to be leaving the links of purchasing this product in the description box below, so go ahead and check it out. Now comes the question, why panty liners? The answer is why not? Every month in between period days or towards the end of periods, you might have very light discharge or very light flow, or maybe spottings, and for that you might not feel comfortable wearing your usual sanitary napkins. Then you can just go ahead and use these panty liners, which are very convenient and comfortable to use, like I told you. Also guys, we might have white discharge at times because of many problems, stress or environmental pollution and things like that, and while having those discharge, it becomes quite problematic. At that point of time, you can use these panty liners, because the absorption rate of these panty liners is very good and similar to that of a sanitary napkin. And nowadays we of course go for menstrual cups or tampons. If you are having little discharge or just spottings, on those days you might not want to use a tampon or a menstrual cup. As a backup of those, you can use a panty liner. For urinary incontinence also you can use these, and of course to maintain your daily hygiene, you can go ahead and try these out. Panty liner definitely makes you feel confident. You can go about your day without having to worry about foul odor or discharge or spottings or anything like that. This definitely is really convenient and easy to carry around and use. Every girl out there needs this, and I'm sure once you try it, you would be definitely obsessed with it like I am. I totally recommend Everteen's panty liners to all my girls out there. Go ahead, try it for yourself and be prepared to be impressed. Well, that's it for today's video. I love you guys so much. I'll be back very soon with yet another interesting video. Until then, be happy, keep smiling. Bye.